Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Downloads folder not responding issue on Windows 11. This is a common problem that can be frustrating when you need to access your downloaded files, but don't worry, the solution is straightforward. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready. You'll want to wait until everything has finished booting up and your desktop is completely responsive before proceeding with the fix. This ensures that all system processes are running properly and ready to execute the commands we'll be using. Once your PC is ready, you'll need to access the command prompt with administrator privileges. To do this, look for the Start menu icon on your taskbar. It's the Windows logo typically located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu, and in the search bar that appears, type in CMD. This will bring up the command prompt application in your search results. Now this next part is important. Don't just click on command prompt normally. Instead, right-click on the command prompt result that appears, and from the context menu that pops up, select Run as Admin. This step is crucial because the commands we're about to use require administrative permissions to make system-level changes. You may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. A command prompt window will now appear on your screen with a black background and white text. This is where you'll enter the fix commands. I'll be displaying the exact command lines you need to type on your screen during the video. Make sure to pause the video if you need extra time to copy the commands accurately, as typing them correctly is essential for the fix to work properly. After you've entered both commands into the command prompt window, you'll need to restart your computer. This restart is necessary because it allows the system changes to take full effect and properly reset the Downloads folder functionality. The commands you entered will have modified system settings that require a fresh boot to implement correctly. Once your computer restarts and loads back up, the Downloads folder should now be working normally. You'll be able to access your downloaded files without any freezing or unresponsive behavior. The issue should be completely resolved at this point. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully fixed the Downloads folder not responding issue on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.